In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a view from a table within your database in simple steps. To begin, head over to the Views section on the navigation sidebar and click the Create New View icon. In the overlay window that opens, several methods for preparing a view are available. For this video, we'll focus on creating a view directly from a table of a connected data source. Choose your data source from the Select Data Source dropdown. This list shows all data sources you've added to Turboard. Select the one you need and click Select Table. Turboard will display the tables, their schema, fields, and the relationships between them. All connected tables are listed for you to select from. Once you select a table, it will appear under Selected Tables. Select the fields you wish to include in your view or unselect the ones you don't wish to include. After making your selections, hit the Create Data View button. Turboard will work its magic and your view will be ready in no time. With your view created, its Edit option becomes available. Here you can manage settings and tailor the view to your needs. Turboard sets default configurations, but you have the flexibility to adjust nodes, add restrictions, parameters, and expressions, and adjust authorization settings to match your business requirements.